If you are not using AI in 2025, you are basically bringing a knife to a gunfight. Yes, it's that serious. Because while you are stuck doing things the old way, others are turbocharging their productivity with AI tools, coding faster, learning quicker, and solving complex problems in the half time. And guess what? If you don't adopt now, you will be left behind. AI isn't just trend anymore, it's the new standard. Whether you are a software engineer or just starting out, this is your wake-up call. In this video, I will show you how to use AI tools to boost your productivity, write code better, and stand out as a developer in 2025. So let's dive in. Let's take a step back. There was a time when getting educated was hard. No books, just word of mouth and experience. Then books came along. Suddenly knowledge was easier to access. Fast forward to the internet. We had Google, Stack Overflow, and answers to nearly everything. Then came YouTube, content creators, tutorials, and free courses floated in. And now it's the time of AI. AI isn't the future, it's actually the present. As a developer, you can either adopt it or risk being left behind. AI tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, Tableau, and many more are changing the game. They are not replacing the developers, but they are making us supercharged. Need to write a boilerplate code? AI can do that in seconds. Stuck in a regex problem? AI can write it and also explain it. Want to refactor a messy code? AI suggests cleaner and optimized solutions. And here is the secret. In the job interview these days, the smarter candidates aren't afraid to use AI tools live to kickstart their thinking, brainstorming ideas, or even draft quick code skeleton right there on the spot. And if an interviewer tells you you're not allowed to use AI, well, you might want to politely tell them, hey, we are in 2025 now, not in the dinosaur age. Because in the real world, the best candidates are the ones who know how to leverage AI as their copilot, not to avoid it. So let's be real. AI isn't perfect. It makes mistakes, it hallucinates sometimes, and it won't always give you a production-ready code. That's why you need to be the pilot and let AI be your copilot. Here is how you can make it work for you. Use AI to brainstorm approaches, not just to write the code. Break big problems into smaller tasks, then prompt AI to help with each one. Ask AI to explain complex code. It's like having a personal tutor. Generate unit tests quickly to improve code reliability. Speed up documentations. AI can help draft README, API docs, and also comments. Okay, time for something more fun. Let's build a working web app in minutes. No front-end skills required, no messing with the HTML, CSS, or React, just Python and AI. Watch this. I'm asking ChatGPT to create a Streamlit app that lets user upload a CSV file and shows summary statics plus some basic charts. So here is the prompt that I will give it. Write a Streamlit app in Python where the user can upload a CSV file. The app should display the data, show basic statistics, and plot a bar chart and line chart. And done. Let's copy this code and run it. Running the app now. There it is. Let's try uploading a CSV file, and just like that, the data appears. Stats are shown and boom, charts ready to go. And this in just under a minute. No front-end work or no hassle required. AI isn't just for coding. Need to summarize meeting notes? Use AI. Want to draft technical email faster? Use AI. Learning new languages or frameworks, AI can tutor you step by step. I even use AI to prepare for system design interviews, generate mock interview questions, and also brainstorm project ideas. AI is here, and it's just not a cool tool, it's your new coding partner. If you embrace it, your productivity will skyrocket. And if you ignore it, you might just get left behind. So what are you waiting for? Just start using AI tools in your daily workflow today. Let me know in the comments down below, are you already using AI in your workflow? How has it boosted your productivity? Or if you are not using it yet, seriously, what's holding you back? Drop a comment down below and I would love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel because this is just the beginning. In the next video, I will do a live coding session building a real world project and showing you exactly how to use AI as your coding assistant to make your project production ready step by step. So hit that subscribe button and let's level up together. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.